Well, hello and welcome again to another edition of Tightwad Todd. It is, as always, wonderful to be with you. And if you have been watching some of these videos for a while or been a subscriber, you will notice this microwave looks familiar, and you'll notice that it's taken apart again. So that's because the other day we were using it and I began to smell an electrical smell, kind of a burning smell. And so I thought, uh-oh. And it was sure enough, I took it apart. I thought, we better not let that go. And the electrical tape on this little piece right here had started burning and so melting. And so it occurred to me, you know what, I bet there's a problem with this component. And so I had to do a little sleuthing to figure out what the component was, but it turns out that it's a thermostat that controls the amount of heat here in this microwave. And so what I did is I went online and I found one. This is the old one. You notice the one of the blades is burned on it and it looks kind of rough. So you want to just make sure you get one with the same numbers on it. This was 120 Celsius and it was a 201, I believe, thermometer, or it's not thermometer, thermostat. And so I bought a new one. I think it was about $16, but I'm hopeful that this is going to solve our problem. And so what I'm doing is I'm having to put some different wire on here. And so, I've got these little spade bits because it turned out that the original one had a very narrow blade on it. And so what I'm doing is I cut the connector off and I put a wide blade because that's what this thermostat has. So I'm going to plug, well, no, I'm not going to do that yet because I've got to do the other end here. So I need to get an appropriate amount of wire. It's better to have more than you need, I guess. So I'm going to cut that about right there. And then, and then I'm going to strip that little ways down. Let's see here. Let's see, sorry. Let's strip that. And I think that's the right spot. There it is. Okay. And then what we're going to do is put another one of these spade connectors on here. Make sure this is going to be long enough. It looks like it'll be okay. So we will slide that down in there. Oh, that went way down there. Crimp it here. We'll crimp it here, make sure it's good and snug on there. Looks good. Make sure that everything is on there good and we're not, nope, that one was not good. Did not do good on that one, did I? Let me try that again. I think I might have, that one might be not too effective anymore because I thought I'd crimped it pretty good. All right, let's give it another shot here and see if this is any more successful. Probably not. You know what? We'll just go ahead and get another one here. And we'll try to make sure this one's really on there good. Okay. We're going to crimp this one to beat the band. So And we'll see if that's snug. It feels like it is. Snug on both ends. Don't want anything loose. Okay, so we'll slip this on here. Hopefully. And then slip this one on here, hopefully. Uh-oh. You know what? I blew it on that one. I needed a small, I needed a small one. And I put a big one on there, didn't I? Now I wonder if I have enough wire. So we're back in our same boat we were in a minute ago. Let's see. Might not have enough wire now, friends. We'll have to see. Now, no, it's the third one here. Let me see. Okay. There, okay. Now, let's try this again, and to figure out which blade I should have used, I'll use this old thermostat for comparison here. Ah, that looks right. It's the blue one. Okay. Boy, those things sure don't want to come off, do they? Okay, now, let's see. Well, it looks like we still may have enough. So that's why you never want to use too short of a piece of wire. Don't be stingy with the wire, or you run into problems. So we'll put that on there, and then crimp it down. See how she does. Oh, goodness. Wedged it in there. There. Let's try that again. One more. Is that on there good? Feels like it's on there good. Let's put it on this little thing right here. Okay, I think we're in good shape there. These look snug. You want to give it a whirl, see what happens? Why not? So we will, let's see here, see if our cord is long enough, which it probably isn't. I don't know if I'm going to have enough cord to even, they don't make these microwave cords very long, do they, friends? Let's see. Spin it around here. And let's see if it'll reach. It sure won't. Okay. Well, what I can do is put it on a chair here. Try that, huh? Okay, we'll plug it in. Okay. Well, it made noise and it lit up, and I suspect that it will run if I was so inclined. So anyway, it looks like we might have a fix here. I will keep you updated, but it looks like everything is pretty snug here, and we've got a new thermostat, and so hopefully that will do the trick. So anyway, hope this is helpful, maybe. I should have done it right the first time. I should have used the right size spades because they were too loose last time, and I think this thing was the culprit. So I hope that that will rectify this from now on. But anyway, I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can like and subscribe, and please join us again for another episode of Tightwad Todd. Take care.